McLaren Automotive, the Surrey, England-based manufacturer of luxury, high-performance sports and supercars, has renewed the Super Series product family at the core of its brand with the introduction of the new McLaren 720S, a car that sets new benchmarks for supercar excellence. Lighter, faster, and even more dynamically capable than its McLaren 650S predecessor, and with unparalleled levels of interior space and sophistication. The new McLaren 720S has a breadth and depth of abilities that involve and satisfy a driver in a way that no competitor can. One glance at the McLaren 720S identifies it as a bold reinterpretation of McLaren's design language, rooted in aerodynamic principles applied to a beautiful form with nothing superfluous about it. The McLaren design ethos has produced some astonishing cars. The new 720S, immediately and undeniably a McLaren, is perhaps the most distinctive and remarkable yet. One of the key points in the design of the new McLaren 720S is the absence of radiator intakes on the side of the car. This function is carried out by the unique double-skin aerodynamic form of the dihedral doors, which channel air to the high-temperature radiators that cool the mid-mounted engine. The new M480T engine powering the 720S continues the lineage of McLaren's multiple award-winning, twin-turbocharged V8 engine series. This new 4.0-liter engine generates a maximum of 720 PS and up to 770 Nm of torque, delivering truly astonishing levels of performance. Stand still to 100 km/h, 62 mph. Takes less than 3 seconds, and just 5 seconds later the car has passed the 200 km/h, 124 mph mark. Maximum speed is 341 km/h, 212 mph. Braking is equally impressive. The new McLaren 720S coming to a halt from 200 km/h, 124 mph, in just 4.6 seconds, covering 117 meters, and the efficiency goes beyond velocity. The new McLaren 720S delivers 10.7 liters/100 km in the official combined fuel economy cycle and CO2 emissions of 249 gkm in the new European driving cycle. McLaren's expertise in carbon fiber structures. Every road car built by the British manufacturer since the McLaren F1 in 1993 has had a carbon fiber chassis, underpins the construction of the new 720S. The architecture of the car is based around a new carbon fiber tub and upper structure, the McLaren Marnikage 2.